Hello, my friends. Happy New Year. Can you believe it is already a new year? Whoosh! I know, I can't even believe it. I can't even believe it. I mean, Thanksgiving went by so fast. Christmas went by so fast, all the hustle and bustle. And now it is a brand new year. Now, I'm not one for New Year's resolutions. I always just try to better myself every year. But let me just tell you, at the Stamps of Life, we have so many amazing things coming up. We have so many new colors coming out. We have so many new products that we've never done before coming out. And of course, we're going to continue with those amazing flash sales, the wonderful clubs, the awesome discounts. It's just going to be an amazing year. I cannot wait to show you all the things that we have going on. So I want you to sit down, buckle those seatbelts, and get ready for a wild ride, because 2024 is going to be our year, right? It's going to be amazing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.